Kobalt 6 amp 7-inch blade wet tabletop sliding table tile saw. So this is in Lowe's, and they have all different types of tile cutters. They have battery operated ones and just the regular plug-in electric. This is like the one I have. This is a 5 amp at $164 for 7-inch. I got the 6 amp. It's a little bit more money. So here's the arbor nut wrench. This is the large one, and it was tucked on the side here. This was hard to find. So you want the arbor wrench, small one and the large one. You're going to need these to loosen these bolts. The outer washer and the arbor nut. So you're going to put in the cutting wheel, and then the outer washer, and then the arbor nut. So you're going to tighten that up. I don't know why there's not a spot for this small wrench. So this is the protective guard. So you want to screw that back in. This is the bevel table, so you want to remove that. Then you're going to remove the fixing plate. It just unscrews. And this is the riving knife. So you're going to screw that back in. Then you're going to put the bevel table back on. Then this is the blade guard assembly. So that fits right on the riving knife. So you screw that in. So then you lift that table up, and then you get the water tray. And it fits right in the back. This is the overflow drain. It just screws right in. This is where you put the water, and there's a max line to fill it up with clean water. This is the toggle table stop. There's a locked position and an unlocked position. So you want to take the sliding table and unlock the toggle stop. And it just slides right in. This is the miter guide. This helps you with diagonal cuts and miter cuts and bevel cuts. All right, so here I am cutting the tile. It's 12 by 24. So I use painter's tape to lay down as a guide. See how it spits out the water? That way you don't get any dust. So it was a little bit too long for the sliding tray. But you can pull it back just a little bit and guide it straight through, or take it off. And here's the water, so you want to fill it up to the max line. Now this is a porcelain 12 by 24 tile. So I thought it did a good job cutting this. It wasn't really hard. A little loud, but that's expected. So you can even do really thin cuts if you didn't cut enough off. So you can even do bevel cuts by lifting the bevel table, and then there's little legs that come down off the table. So I was doing a kitchen, and up against the cabinets I had to cut all these cuts. You can watch my full video of tiling this kitchen with 12 by 24 porcelain tiles. And this is how I did cuts around pipes. I just did little cuts, and then I took a hammer and I bumped them off.